this had fell off of here, so let's see if I can put it back together real quick. Now, what it looks is, put that in there like that, right? And then, I believe then you take this and slide it up into there like this. Okay, so we took everything apart and then re-put it back together, and there's how it would properly go together. That makes sense now. All right, I got it now.
Oh, sweet.
Now look.
Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, I mean you can try pushing it and stuff. It's just really heavy and doesn't move much at all.
You don't even have a handle or a lock on it, huh?
But the handle, there was one, and because it's so hard to pull, they just keep breaking off. This was like the third one.
Damn. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's really tough. Here, good.
Yeah, this is definitely not nothing I do. You'd have to take this whole thing apart.
Yeah.
But I'm going to submit a inspection report, and I'll see what they want to do on it.
Okay. So that's that, and then
I'm not even sure why what happened there, why it's stuck there. Like,
I mean, it's always been like this. Literally, this
just
is
like there's no wheels.
I oiled it sometimes. You know, if I oil it, it'll go a little bit for a while, but then it's all over her paws, and there's oil everywhere. But yeah. So it's just a pain. I don't know.
Yeah.
He knew about it when I moved in, and you know, the only solution was to add a different handle. We've gone through 3 of them now. Like they're just, you know, he'll usually take one of these off and put it here.
Oh, okay.
So.
Just keeps borrowing.
Yeah.
But that's not the problem. So.
Yeah, it's not a handle makes it a little more manageable, but it's just so heavy.
Right, I can see that. It's like I'm trying to see where you even.
I know. I usually have to like grab it down here and pull at the same time.
Yeah, it's like it doesn't have wheels anymore, or where they may have. I don't know. That or it's bent.
I mean, it could be. You can't see what's going on the track there, but yeah.
That's way out from where it should be. Looks like it might be bent here. I know that.
And you think like this metal part's bent, so it can't just like slide.
It may be. Yeah. Something's not lining up. But I can't really see it. The fact of that even doing that is yeah, I don't know, but we could get it closed at least.
Yeah.
I wonder if it I don't even know that it goes on wheels.
Yeah, I kind of figured the wheels were on either side of the track.
You would think.
But I don't know if, I think these are set up the same way. Maybe it's not wheels, it's just smooth.
It just runs on that track, huh? And this is rough too, huh?
Not nearly as bad, but yeah. But that one you use every day for the dog, so it's really the only one I care about.
Right. All right. Well, I'll put a report in.
Okay, and then I'll show you.
I'm not sure what to do about it yet.
Yeah, I don't know either, unless it's get it taken off and see if, like you said, that's bent or something on the inside under of the door.
Well, to take it off even, it looks like. Oh, there's screws here. I'm not sure how it was mounted up here, but
yeah, because that looks like it's just into the frame. Like I don't know how that. I don't know.
Yeah, this gets into like almost like window stuff.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it is a bunch of huge windows.
Basically, a sliding window. And even this looks bent here.
You're right, and that's not lined up with the frame.
But All right.